I hope you've just watched a review video about the sun. So now we're going to talk about what we get from the sun. And the two things the sun gives us, light and heat. But can we ever get too much light or heat from the sun? Let's think about that. If we have too much heat, for instance, what can happen? Look at the pictures. These flowers are all almost dried out. They're definitely dying. They may not be able to come back. This person has a bad sunburn. And let's go back to that. And here we have evidence of a drought when there's too much sun and not enough water. Too much heat from the sun and not enough rain. So sometimes we have to do things to protect ourselves from too much sun. That's what I'd like you to think about today. How we protect ourselves from the sun. This is your assignment. And this time you get to choose. You have two ideas to choose from. You can choose to do a list or you can choose to do a project. Let's look at the list first. The list should have words and pictures, and you should have at least 3 things in your list. For example, you can put on sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. Now, I don't really want you to use that one because I just did. So what are 3 things other than sunscreen you can do to protect yourself from the sun, or other people can do? It doesn't have to be just you personally. Things that farmers do, things that people in other parts of the world do. So, list is one choice. The next choice is a project. This is how you can protect yourself from the sun, or a part of this project is also making observations about the sun, so you can have more choice here. So you can make newspaper hats to protect yourself from the sun, to cover your head. Newspaper, paper, any kind of hat, really. So make a hat and take a picture of it. You make sun visors, for instance, from paper plates to protect your eyes from the sun. Take a picture and put it in your portfolio. Make something else to protect yourself from the sun. I don't know. Can you make a parasol? Find out what that is. Maybe you could make one. Take a picture and put it in your portfolio. All of these pictures in your portfolio. The list should have a picture in your portfolio too. Can you cook using the heat of the sun? Can you start with grapes and make raisins by drying them in the sun? And there you should have before and after pictures. Watch how shadows change during the day and draw pictures or take photos of the changes at different times during the day. Note where the sun is in the sky at different times of the day and draw pictures or take photos of the changes. And do another project about the sun you're interested in. Take a picture. So this is really kind of open-ended. So I want you to explore something about the sun that you're interested in. Or you can make a list, take a picture of that, and put that in your portfolio. It's up to you. So I hope you got some sun you could enjoy today, and I'll see you next time.